Shripad Rajam Sharanam Prapadhe. Shankar Bhatt and Dharmagupt continue their journey, and that's what we will learn their further experiences in the chapter 39. As they continued their journey onward with the precious stones which they had secured from the Bairagi, they could also enjoy the hospitality of a Brahmin, Nagendra Shastri. He had prayed that he should be blessed with the Kalanagamani, that is a precious stone called the Cobra Pearl. When Nagendra Shastri was 15 years old, he went to visit Lord Shripad at Pitikapuram. There, near the self-evolved idol of Lord Dattatreya, was a cobra. As it rules over death and is black in color, it is called Kalanag. It has a precious stone on its crown. This cobra is always in a meditative state like a sage. Ordinarily, no one can see it. Negative vibrations which are emitted by the planet Mars are warded off or destroyed by this precious cobra pearl. Nagendra Shastri had an intense desire to possess this pearl. When Shankar Bhatt was passing by Narasimha Varma's house, he saw that Lord Shripad in a divine play was playing in the courtyard. When Varma was circumambulating the Audumbar tree, he came across Lord Shripad's padukas. They had all the symbols of sacredness on it. Just then, Nagendra Shastri called Shankar Bhatt, and so he went towards him. Narasimha Varma had given the padukas a holy wash with water and then coconut water. He was eager to worship those padukas, but Lord Shripad had some other plans. He caressed the padukas lovingly and said to Nagendra Shastri, "Nagendra Shastri, you must establish a Nagendra Peeth and worship these padukas. The Kalanag, that is cobra, worships the divine pearl, and his lord, who is none other than me, and the holy feet are also mine. You regularly must worship these padukas and offer the sacred water with which you bathe these padukas to those who are sorrowful and diseased. They will be relieved of their pain and worries once they consume the sacred water. Also, those who are under the spell of the unfavorable serpent power, that is Sarpadosh, and its effects will be free of it. Use your knowledge only for the betterment of people. The donation to get rid of this effect of serpent power should be collected by the couple from their respective in-laws and then donated together. If a daughter is under these unfavorable effects, then the father and the maternal uncle must donate money together. This will completely remove the effect. You must also advise and also follow these rules. I know that you yearn for the cobra pearl, that is the Nagamani, so that you may worship it. My divine padukas will definitely beget the divine pearl. After some time, Shankar Bhatt and Dharmagupt will come to you. You offer my padukas to them and accept the pearl from them. Those who worship me will never face any difficulty and no one can harm them. You should use your knowledge and power of the mantras only for good purpose. Serve those who are in pain and misery. Accept only that money which is willingly given by people. Do not be greedy for more." Nagendra Shastri started his practice as per Lord Shripad's advice. He would explain to people about the 4 Varnas or the caste system. Lord Shripad had already planned that the pearl should be given to Nagendra Shastri by Shankar Bhatt and Dharmagupt. Thus, one can imagine how Nagendra Shastri got the pearl. Now, a very important thing to note here is that if the reader or the listener wants to have a more detailed version of some incidents and make a study of it, it is available in the Shripada Shri Vallabha Sampurna Charitramrita, which is translated into Marathi. The original script is in Telugu, and Shri Malladhi Govinda Dikshitalu, the 33rd generation from Lord Shripada's lineage, got it rewritten and brought it for mass reading. After his retirement, while searching for some old papers in his house, he found the old original script written by Shankar Bhatt. This information is as per the mention in Shripada's Charitra or biography. Chapter 39 comes to an end here. Those who are under unfavorable effects of serpents will be relieved of it by reading this chapter. May Lord Shripad bless us all. Shripad Rajam Sharanam Prapadhe.